Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Monday.com column types. This tutorial will walk you through the different types of columns available in Monday.com and how to use them effectively. First, let's understand what columns are in Monday.com. Columns are the building blocks of your board and are used to store and display information. There are several types of columns in Monday.com, each with its own unique features and uses. The text column is the most basic type of column and is used to store short text entries. It's ideal for storing names, titles, and short descriptions. The long text column is similar to the text column but allows for longer text entries, making it perfect for storing notes, descriptions, and comments. The number column is used to store numerical values and can be used for calculations, such as sum, average, and percentage. The date column is used to store dates and can be used to set deadlines, track progress, and create timelines. The people column is used to assign tasks to team members and can be used to track who is working on what. The status column is used to track the status of items, such as to do, in progress, and done. The checkbox column is used to track yes or no values, such as completed or not completed. The drop-down column is used to store a list of predefined options, such as priority levels or categories. To create a new column in Monday.com, simply click the plus icon at the top right corner of your board and select the type of column you want to create. You can then customize the column settings to suit your needs. Best practices for using columns in Monday.com include keeping your columns organized and concise, using clear and descriptive column names, and using the right type of column for the data you are storing. By following these best practices and using the different types of columns effectively, you can create a powerful and customized workflow in Monday.com that streamlines your work and increases productivity.